Hi guys, today we're going to solve this AIME problem. Um so let's get started. An integer is called snake-like if its decimal representation A1, A2, A3 all the way to AK satisfies AI is smaller than A of I plus 1. If I is odd and AI is greater than AI plus 1 if I is even. How many snake-like integers between 1000 and 9999 have four distinct digits? And this problem is from the 2004 AIME 1 problem 6. So let's get started. First, we need to analyze the conditions of a snake-like number. So let's say that we have a 4-digit number and call this one A1, A2, A3, and A4. Well, we know that from the conditions, we know that A1 is smaller than A2, and we also know that A2 is greater than A3, and A3 is smaller than A4. So these are the conditions that make a snake-like number, okay? And yeah, and to continue, we will consider the problem in two cases. So case one is when all of the digits are non-zero. And case two is one of the digit is 0. Also, we will tackle case 1 first. So, given any 4 distinct digits from 1 to 9, there are 9 choose 4 ways to determine that. So 9 choose 4 times, and there are 5 ways to arrange them to form a snake-like number, because if we analyze this right here, we see that A2 has to be the top, first, or second, right? So it basically has to be the greatest or the second greatest. And so with that said, this will give us 2 times 2 times 2 equals 4. But we have to consider a case where A4 is like the third greatest, right? Because we only have to note that A4 is greater than A3, so that adds another additional case, right? Yeah. So that's gonna be 4 plus 1 equals 5. Okay, so that's it for case 1. Case 2 is easier. Let's just do the same thing. So using logic, only A3 can be 0, because obviously you can't place 0 at A1, or then it would not be a 4-digit integer. You cannot place it for A2 because it would be too small, and same thing for A4. So given you can do 9 choose 3 to find how many three integer sets you can choose, and then there are 3 ways to arrange to form a snake-like number, because there are 2 ways if A4 is not the third greatest, and there is 1 way if A4 is the third greatest. So yeah, so if you evaluate this, you get, let me just 252 plus 630, which is 882. Thank you guys. Bye.